Today, I'll show you how to use Vlookup in LibreOffice Calc. Whether you're managing a large dataset or simply trying to match data across spreadsheets, Vlookup can be your go-to function. It's a powerful tool that can save you a lot of time, so let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to open LibreOffice on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the official LibreOffice website. Once you have the application open, look for the Calc spreadsheet option. Calc is the LibreOffice equivalent of Microsoft Excel and is where you'll be using the VLOOKUP function. Now, if you've been working on a spreadsheet recently and it's still listed in your recent documents, feel free to open it from there. This can save you a bit of time and get you working on your data immediately. Otherwise, you can start with a new Calc spreadsheet for practice. Next, it's time to decide where you want to place your VLOOKUP formula. Click on the cell where you want the result of the VLOOKUP to appear. This will typically be in a column where you need to pull in data from another part of your spreadsheet. Once you've chosen the cell, it's time to type in the VLOOKUP formula. Now, if you're not familiar with this formula, don't worry, it's actually pretty straightforward once you break it down. The VLOOKUP function requires 4 main arguments: the search key, the range to search within, the column number to retrieve the data from, and whether you want an exact or approximate match. In this video, we'll type in the following formula: equals VLOOKUP B25, A21, E21, 5, 0. Let's break down what this means. The B25 is the search key, which is the value you're trying to find in the first column of your specified range. The A21, E21 is the range where you want to perform the search. This range includes the column with the data you're looking for, so make sure it's set up correctly. The number 5 indicates the column from which you want to retrieve the data. Remember, the column number is relative to your specified range. Finally, the 0 at the end of the formula signifies that you're looking for an exact match. After typing in the formula, press enter. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the data you're looking for appear in the cell you've selected. If it doesn't, double check your range and make sure the search key you're using is present in the first column of your range. And there you have it. You've successfully used VLOOKUP in LibreOffice Calc. With this function, you can seamlessly match and retrieve data from large spreadsheets, making your data management tasks much easier. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try different examples until you're comfortable with the function. Thanks for watching and happy data managing.